We spend an awful lot of time on strategic planning, building the right strategic plan for regions that we can win in the marketplace. Our plan is not a complicated plan. Our plan is very simple and straightforward, but we think it's got all of the right strategic attributes in it to make us successful. I'm very proud. In 2016, we made a lot of progress in terms of how we were executing against our strategic goals. Part of our strategic planning process defined a imperative of grow and diversify revenue. The growth is important in terms of sustainability. The diversification is important in terms of risk management. We saw good growth in consumer loans, good growth in consumer deposits. We had a similar story in our wealth management business where we really were growing assets under management. We were growing the number of customers. We had tremendous success in 2016 in expanding our commercial and corporate customers' capital needs. We're providing a number of capital market products and services that we had not previously provided. Overall, on a net basis, our bank delivered very solid growth across all of our businesses. Today, you have to be very good at managing expenses and creating efficiencies. But you have to do that in a thoughtful way. You have to use process improvement and technology. We have to generate positive operating leverage where we're growing revenues faster than we're growing expenses. We spent a lot of time in 2016 trying to really enhance and strengthen our abilities to manage both capital and liquidity very carefully, very effectively. We're looking for ways to deploy our capital first and foremost to grow our business. We look for opportunities where we can earn a risk-adjusted return that's beneficial to our investor base, to our shareholders, and we're looking for those businesses that can do that on a sustained basis. When we reach a point where we've allocated all the capital we need to grow our business effectively, then we look at a way of returning that capital to our shareholders in the forms of dividends or share repurchases. We want to get the right result at the end, but we want to make sure we do it the right way.